Welcome back to Beyond the Bling, weekend hacks for gemstone lovers. Today, we're answering one of the most common jewelry questions. What's the difference between platinum and white gold? These two metals might look almost identical, but their stories, composition, and long-term value couldn't be more different. When you walk into a jewelry store, those bright, silvery white rings often steal the show. Some are labeled platinum, others white gold. At first glance, they sparkle the same, but under the surface, these metals tell two very different tales. Let's start with platinum. It's a naturally white, rare, and incredibly dense metal. Found deep in the Earth's crust, platinum is part of a small family known as the platinum group metals, which includes palladium, rhodium, and iridium. Historically, ancient Egyptians used platinum in decorative artifacts over 2,000 years ago, long before it became the luxury standard we know today. Now, white gold is something a bit more modern. It's actually yellow gold mixed with white metals such as palladium, nickel, or silver, then finished with a layer of rhodium to achieve that bright, cool tone. So, while platinum is naturally white, white gold gets its color through careful blending and plating. Here's a fun fact. Platinum is about 60% heavier than gold. If you were to hold two identical rings, one in platinum, the other in white gold, the platinum one would feel significantly weightier in your hand. That heft is part of what gives platinum its luxurious, enduring appeal. But here's where it gets interesting. Platinum doesn't tarnish or fade. Instead, over time, it develops a soft, satiny finish called a patina, which many collectors love because it gives the metal a vintage, time-worn character. White gold, on the other hand, needs a little more maintenance. Its rhodium coating can wear off over time, revealing a warmer, yellowish hue beneath. Jewelers typically recommend replating white gold every 1 to 2 years to keep it looking bright and reflective. And get this, platinum's melting point is an astonishing 3,200 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,768 degrees Celsius. That's one of the reasons it's prized in high-tech industries too, from catalytic converters to laboratory equipment. So, your platinum ring? It's literally made from the same metal that helps power cars and spacecraft. Now, let's talk value. Platinum's rarity is what drives its higher cost. For every 10 tons of ore mined, you'll only get about an ounce of platinum. Compare that to gold, where mining yields 5 times as much. When it comes to durability, platinum is known for holding gemstones more securely. That's why it's often the metal of choice for high-end engagement rings and heirloom jewelry. It's tough, dense, and retains its volume. Even when scratched, the metal just shifts rather than being lost. White gold, though softer, offers versatility and affordability. It provides the same sleek look at a more accessible price point. For many buyers, that balance between beauty and budget makes white gold a smart and stylish choice. Here's a quick breakdown. Color. Platinum is naturally white. White gold is alloyed and rhodium plated. Durability. Platinum lasts longer but is heavier. White gold may need replating. Price. Platinum is rarer and pricier. White gold is more affordable. Maintenance. Platinum needs minimal upkeep. White gold needs regular care. So, choosing between them really comes down to what you value most: long-term endurance or easy elegance. Platinum and white gold may shine the same way, but now you know their differences run deep beneath the sparkle. If you loved learning something new today, like this video, share it with your jewelry-loving friends, and subscribe to the International Gem Society for more incredible insights into the world of gems and precious metals. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep on sparkling.